Some AI writing tools can handle up to 80% of writing tasks better than ChatGPT, which is surprising since many of us rely on ChatGPT for content creation, but it may not be the best option. This creates tension for those who want to save time and increase productivity. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use AI writing tools to create high-quality content faster and more efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use AI writing tools to create high-quality content faster and more efficiently, saving you time and increasing your productivity. Section 1. Pillar 1. Introduction to AI writing tools. Many entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals struggle to create high-quality content with ChatGPT. This is because ChatGPT has limitations, such as difficulty in understanding specific writing styles and tones. As a result, many people spend too much time editing and revising their content, which can be frustrating and time-consuming. Additionally, finding the right AI writing tool for specific needs can be challenging, with so many options available in the market. Some AI writing tools can handle up to 80% of writing tasks better than ChatGPT, which can be a game changer for content creation. However, it's essential to understand the capabilities and limitations of these tools to get the most out of them. Section 2. Pillar 2. Top AI writing tools for 2026. One of the top AI writing tools for 2026 is Copy.ai, which is an AI content generation tool for sales and marketing workflows. Another powerful tool is Grammarly, which is an AI-powered writing assistant for improving writing quality and clarity. Lumen 5 is also a great option, as it converts written content into animated video, which can enhance engagement and make content more shareable. Claude Pro is another AI writing tool that handles 80% of writing tasks better than ChatGPT, and it's available for just $20/month. Jasper is also a popular AI writing tool, which is designed for managing multiple brand voices, and it costs $59/month. These tools can help you automate entire sales and marketing workflows, improve writing quality, and convert written content into engaging videos. Section 3. Pillar 3. Using AI writing tools for content creation. To get started with AI writing tools, you need to understand your specific needs and goals. For example, if you're a freelancer who needs to create high-quality content quickly, you may want to try out Claude Pro or Jasper. If you're a marketer who wants to automate sales and marketing workflows, you may want to consider Copy.ai or Grammarly. It's essential to experiment with different tools and find the one that works best for you. Additionally, you need to understand how to use these tools effectively, such as learning how to input prompts and edit the output. By following these steps, you can start using AI writing tools to create high-quality content faster and more efficiently. Section 4. Pillar 4. Tips and tricks for getting the most out of AI writing tools. One of the most important tips for getting the most out of AI writing tools is to understand how to input prompts effectively. This means being clear and specific about what you want the tool to generate and providing enough context for it to understand your needs. Another tip is to edit the output carefully, as AI writing tools are not perfect and may make mistakes. Additionally, it's essential to use these tools in conjunction with human editing and review to ensure that the content meets your quality standards. By following these tips and tricks, you can get the most out of AI writing tools and create high-quality content faster and more efficiently. It's also important to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI writing tools, as new features and capabilities are being added all the time. Section 5. Pillar 5. Common mistakes to avoid when using AI writing tools. One of the most common mistakes to avoid when using AI writing tools is relying too heavily on the tool and not editing the output carefully. This can lead to low-quality content that does not meet your standards and can damage your reputation. Another mistake is not understanding the limitations of the tool and expecting it to perform tasks that it's not capable of. Additionally, it's essential to avoid using AI writing tools for tasks that require a high level of creativity or originality, as these tools are best suited for tasks that involve generating content based on existing information. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can get the most out of AI writing tools and create high-quality content faster and more efficiently. It's also important to be aware of the potential risks and challenges associated with using AI writing tools, such as the potential for bias and error. Section 6. Pillar 6. Conclusion and next steps. In conclusion, AI writing tools can be a powerful tool for content creation but it's essential to understand their capabilities and limitations. By following the tips and tricks outlined in this video, you can get the most out of AI writing tools and create high-quality content faster and more efficiently. Additionally, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI writing tools, as new features and capabilities are being added all the time. If you're interested in learning more about AI writing tools and how to use them effectively, be sure to check out our other videos and resources. By leveraging the power of AI writing tools, you can take your content creation to the next level and achieve your goals. So why not get started today and see the difference for yourself? AI writing tools can handle up to 80% of writing tasks better than ChatGPT. Top AI writing tools include Copy.ai, Grammarly, Lumen 5, Claude Pro, and Jasper. To get the most out of AI writing tools, it's essential to understand their capabilities and limitations. By leveraging the power of AI writing tools, you can take your content creation to the next level and achieve your goals. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button. If you learned something valuable today, what's your favorite AI writing tool and how do you use it for content creation?